Hello there, so it's Alison here. So what I'm going to do today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you're going to add a custom token to your MetaMask so it shows up on your MetaMask. Now, natively, what you're going to find is that the tokens that show up on the MetaMask are the native tokens itself. In this case, I have the Binance Smart Chain, but you make sure that you are on Ethereum Smart Chain, if on the Ethereum chain, if the coin you want to add is Ethereum Smart Chain. So it's very important to find out what the coin is. And one way of doing it to find out what network you should be, I assume that many people will be on Ethereum mainnet, okay? So you can put Ethereum mainnet here. Make sure Ethereum mainnet is showing here, okay? Now, if the coin you are trying to add is also a Binance Smart Chain coin, there will be a video for that as well, but it doesn't really matter as long as you have the right chain. Now, the example I'm going to use for this video is called Bake. I know I bought Bake token a couple of days ago, but the Bake token is not showing up here. So I want to add it. There are a couple of ways you can do it. As long as you pick the correct chain, you should be fine. Now, how to know the correct chain? Assuming you pick up, let us go to CoinGecko. And then I type in Bake, which is the coin I know I have on that that is not showing. Okay, so if you look, you see that this Bake is on the Binance Smart Chain. You see the B scan? Okay, if it's an Ethereum token, let us do an Ethereum token, for example, BEAD. So you see, BEAD is an Ethereum token. That is the Ether scan. Okay, so whatever coin you are looking to add, make sure either it's Ether scan. If it's Ether scan, then your MetaMask has got to be on the Ethereum mainnet. Okay, but if it's a Binance Smart Chain, like we saw with Bake, then it has to be on the Binance Smart Chain. The Binance Smart Chain, you have to add it to MetaMask if you are doing that. Okay, I thought I'd get it out of the way. Now, the easiest way to add a token to your MetaMask, you see this sign here? You see that? So if I come back now to Bake, okay, to Bake, the easiest way to add it is to do this. So just click Add to MetaMask here. If you click that, and then you see Bake here, it says Add Token. And if we now go back to MetaMask, you can see I now have Bake showing here. It wasn't here before, okay? That is how you add a token to MetaMask on the right chain. If you have any questions, please leave a comment in the sections below. You can also do this on CoinMarketCap as well as CoinGecko. That's another option. So you can also type in Bake, okay? And you also this section saying add to MetaMask, right? So thank you for watching. And if you have any questions, let me know. Take care and bye-bye.